How to pack a 7 kilogram luggage. Do you always travel light?
Yes, most of the time.
What are the benefits of traveling light?
Most budget airlines offer very cheap tickets, but you can only bring a 7 kilo carry-on.
How many days can you travel with only 7 kilograms?
It all depends on you and on where you're going. If you're going to a very hot place, you can last a very long time with 7 kilos, like even a month.
What kind of luggage have you found to be the best to use?
I personally like backpacks, and not even a big backpack. Like this size is good enough for me.
What products do you recommend investing in?
I think that a scale like this is very, very useful. You always know if your luggage is exactly 7 kilos. And I personally like this too because I travel a lot. Buses, taxis, airplanes, and it really protects your neck.
Can you still go shopping?
What I do is that I bring very old clothes. So like this, I can throw it away and that space can be used for things I buy.
What can you do if you have over 7 kilograms?
Well, one thing, you could put many layers of clothes and all the heavy stuff like your external battery, chargers, keys, you can put them in pockets.
How do you keep your things safe while traveling?
I think that to carry your passport and money around, the safest way is the belt. Also, to protect your things from the rain, if you travel a lot between buses, walking, things like that, I like to put my things in ziplocs, in bags. And I divide them in categories. Like this, it's easier to find.
What do you usually pack when you travel with only 7 kilograms?
Nail cutter, tweezers, always useful. You should always carry a pen because you often have to fill out forms in between countries for visas, for things like that. And I like to have motion sickness pills, painkillers, plasters, and of course, these days, masks.
Any last recommendations?
If you're going to a hot country, bring clothes that are made of natural fibers like cotton so that your skin can breathe. If you don't want to spend your whole vacation washing your clothes, try to bring dark colors like black, brown, or navy blue. If you're going on a trip because of a course, a seminar, a meeting, well then try to bring clothes that you don't need to iron all the time. Most hotels will have an iron, but you don't want to spend your whole time just ironing. That's it. I hope you enjoyed.